How to fix no sound on Windows 11. Hello everyone, I am Lucy. Let's jump to the video right away. So the first method to try is go to your control panel and make sure you have this view by and large icons. Go to sound and here identify the sound device, audio device you're using right now. I'm using my headphone, so make sure you have enabled it and set it as default. Click on apply and OK. So another thing to do is go to sounds again, go to your audio device that you're using, go to properties and go to spatial sound. So here make sure you have turned it off. After you're done, click on apply and OK. So next what you need to do is go to services. Go to start menu and type services. Open it. Here you need to locate Windows Audio. So right click and go to properties, and in this window make sure you have your startup type to automatic and your service status is running. If it's not running, click on start, apply and OK. So the final one is to type device manager in your start menu, and here in sound, video and game controls make sure that you have your audio device. So here click on disable device and restart your computer, and hopefully this will fix your problem. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.